Let me ask you something.
What if humans aren't actually special? What if intelligence wasn't some miracle that only happened once, but just something evolution accidentally creates every now and then? There are animals using tools, recognizing themselves in mirrors, teaching their children, solving puzzles, and grieving their dead. Some scientists genuinely think certain species might be on the path toward higher intelligence. So the question is, could any other animal eventually become as smart as us?
First, we need to understand something weird.
Because superintelligent is actually kind of inefficient. Your brain is insanely expensive.
Even though it's only about 2% of humans' body weight, it uses around 20% of your energy.
That's ridiculous. Evolution usually prefers faster reproduction, lower energy use, survival efficiency.
Not giant philosophical brains wondering what happens after death.
So why did humans become intelligent in the first place? Scientists think it was basically a perfect storm.
Our ancestors started walking upright, which freed up their hands. Those hands started using tools.
Tools helped us hunt. Hunting required communication.
Communication became language. Language allowed knowledge to stack over generations. And eventually, you get taxes. But here's the important part. Human intelligence wasn't guaranteed.
If evolution replayed Earth from the beginning, humans might never appear again.
Maybe intelligence is just an accident. But accidents can happen twice. So, naturally, the first animal people think of is primates. Chimpanzees share around 99% of our DNA. Chimps use tools, understand social hierarchies, manipulate each other, hold grudges, start wars.
There are documented chimp conflicts where groups literally ambush rival groups.
That's not instinct anymore. That's strategy. Some apes can also learn sign language and recognize themselves in mirrors, which is a huge deal. Because mirror recognition suggests self-awareness. Most animals basically reset every generation, which massively slows evolution. But primates aren't actually the most interesting possibility. That title should belong to the octopus. Octopuses, and yes, octopuses is correct, are unbelievably weird. They can solve puzzles, escape containers, recognize people, use tools, and learn through observation. But the strangest thing is their brains. A huge amount of its neurons are spread throughout its arms, meaning each arm can kind of make decisions on its own. Each arm has its own little brain. Weird. But octopuses have one major weakness. They die too quickly. Most only live a few years. That's terrible for developing civilization. Because knowledge can't really accumulate. Then, there are dolphins.
Dolphins have complex social structures, communication systems, self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and even names for each other.
Sup?
Bottlenose dolphins use unique signature whistles that basically function like names.